Before I end my talk, I'd like to give the message which Allah says in the Quran, in Surah Hashr, chapter number 59, verse number 21. Allah says that had this Quran be revealed on the mountain, it would have surely fallen down in utter ruin. That means if the Quran would have been revealed on a mountain, and if the mountain had feelings, the mountain would have crumbled down and would have come down to pieces. But to us Muslims, it makes no difference. Why? Because we don't understand it. Allah says that if the mountain, a mountain is a sign of power, of something which is hard like a rock. If the Quran would have been revealed on a mountain, the mountain would have fallen down to utter ruin. But it makes no difference to us. We Muslims, we have to read the Quran with understanding. And we Muslims, if we back into the history, we Muslims, we were on top of the world. Today, we Muslims on the receiving end. Why? The reason previously we were on top of the world was because we were close to Quran and Sahih Hadith. And today, we are on the receiving end is because we have gone far away from our religious scriptures, far away from Quran and Sunnah. If we get back close to the Quran and Sunnah, inshallah, we Muslims would again become the torchbearers of the world. I would like to end my speech with the hadith of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, hadith number 5027. Of Bukhari in the old edition, volume number 6, hadith number 545, where Hazrat Usman, may Allah be pleased with him, said that our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Khayrakum min ta'allam al-Qur'ana mu'allaman." That best amongst you are those who learn the Quran and teach it to the others. Wa akhiru da'wana alhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.